This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate how you can connect this device to VPN. So the first step that I'll show you is to download and install the free Turbo VPN app. Then once the app is ready to be launched, you gotta simply open it, then tap at the green continue button. And in order to set up the VPN connection, simply tap at this caret icon over here. Then accept the connection request and wait for the VPN to be enabled. So, as you can see, my first connection request failed. That's, somewhat normal. The quickest and easiest fix that allows you to circumvent this error is to manually connect yourself to other server. So open this menu, then go for the server list. And usually the first server that is listed is the one that the Turbo VPN app automatically tries to connect you to. So in my case, Germany. So let's say I'll try to manually set the server to London, UK. And as you can see, it connects me without any issues at all. While connected to VPN, you can change the server and, the country as well that you are connected to. So let me reconnect myself to some Amsterdam server. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN and my app will unexpectedly shut itself down, that's completely normal, I would assume. So let me quickly re-establish the VPN connection and I'll show how you can disconnect from it as well. So back to what I was saying right after we'll skip the ad. In order to disconnect the phone from VPN, simply tap at this icon, the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.